You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to download music on your iPhone for free. You can do this using apps like Spotify, YouTube Music, or SoundCloud, which offer free tiers with download capabilities. First, download your preferred music app from the App Store. Open the app and create a free account. Now, search for the song, album, or playlist you want. In apps like Spotify, you need to make a playlist first. Tap the three dots next to a song and select Add to Playlist. Once your playlist is created, find it in your library. On the playlist page, you will see a download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. Tap this download icon. The app will ask for permission to download over cellular or Wi-Fi. Choose Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. The songs will now download to your phone for offline listening. Remember, these downloads only work within the app and will disappear if you cancel your free account. You can also use the free version of the Apple Music app to listen to downloaded radio stations, but not specific on-demand songs. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.